Welcome to this lesson on marketplace reselling techniques. In the growing world of e-commerce, reselling has become a popular way for entrepreneurs to start online businesses. Reselling involves purchasing products and then selling them through online marketplaces to earn a profit. Many successful online sellers use this model because it requires relatively low startup investment. However, success in reselling depends on choosing the right marketplace, using effective pricing strategies, and understanding profitable business models. In this lesson, we will identify the best marketplaces for reselling products. We will also explore pricing strategies that help sellers remain competitive. Finally, we will analyze some of the most successful reselling business models used in online commerce. Let us begin by examining the marketplaces where resellers often operate. Online marketplaces provide platforms where sellers can reach large numbers of potential customers. These platforms already have established traffic and trusted payment systems. One popular marketplace for reselling products is Amazon. Amazon provides access to millions of customers and offers tools that help sellers manage inventory and shipping. Another well-known marketplace is eBay, which allows sellers to list both new and used items. eBay also offers auction-style listings where buyers can compete by placing bids. Some resellers prefer platforms that focus on specific product categories. For example, certain marketplaces specialize in fashion, electronics, or handmade items. Choosing the right marketplace depends on the type of products being sold and the target audience. Now let us discuss pricing strategies for reselling. Pricing plays a critical role in attracting customers while maintaining profitability. One common strategy is competitive pricing. In this approach, sellers research similar products in the marketplace and set prices that remain competitive. Another strategy involves value-based pricing. In value-based pricing, sellers highlight the unique benefits or quality of their products and set prices that reflect this value. Some sellers also use promotional pricing to attract attention. Limited-time discounts or special offers can encourage customers to make faster purchasing decisions. However, sellers must always calculate costs carefully. Marketplace fees, shipping costs, and product sourcing expenses must be considered when setting prices. Without proper calculations, profits may quickly disappear. Now let us examine successful reselling business models. One popular model is retail arbitrage. In this approach, sellers purchase discounted products from retail stores and resell them online at higher prices. Another model is online arbitrage. Online arbitrage involves buying products from one website and reselling them on another marketplace where prices are higher. Some resellers focus on sourcing products from wholesalers or clearance sales. These sellers buy products in bulk at lower prices and resell them individually for profit. Another strategy involves specializing in niche products. By focusing on a specific category, sellers can build expertise and attract loyal customers. Successful resellers often combine several strategies to build consistent income streams. They research products carefully, monitor market trends, and adjust their pricing strategies when necessary. Maintaining good customer service is also important for building positive seller ratings. Customers are more likely to buy from sellers who have strong reviews and reliable delivery. Choosing the right marketplace helps sellers reach the most relevant customers. In the next video we will discuss about affiliate and CPA marketing. Stay connected with us. Thank you.